kids. Today we will learn how to write a 5-line essay for kids. Some kids think that that's too hard, we can do that. But I have a trick to do that. Suppose that we are writing on an apple. So let's start. I have a trick with me and let's see the trick. That makes the writing so easy. Name, color, shape, size. And taste. At the first, we will see what its name and what is it. It is a fruit, vegetable or something else. Apple is a fruit. So we will write in the name apple. It is an apple. It is a fruit. See, our first line is done. The second thing, its color. Sorry, you can see the color because I have only one marker. In color we will write which color of the thing it is. It color is red. Our second line is also done. That's a magic trick for me when I was young. Shape. You can see that it is mostly round. So we will write it is mostly round in shape. I forget a thing in the second line. We also have to write the color, the shape, like I have written in this sentence. Mostly round in shape. Its color is red in color. No. Sorry, I have already write color in the starting, so I will not write one more time. At the fourth, size. It is medium in size. Kids, medium means not too big and not too small. It is in the middle. At the last, it is the taste. We will write it is an apple. Apple is sour and sweet. See, my magic trick works. Dear kids, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. See, our magic trick works. Let's repeat the whole method. Name. It is an apple. Apple is a name of the fruit. It is an apple. Fruit. It is a fruit. You can see it is a fruit. Its color is red. Its color is red. Color. It is mostly round in shape. You can see there is shape. It is medium in size. Apple is a sour and sweet fruit. You can see there is taste also there. So, if you like this trick, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. I will meet you tomorrow, so please bye bye.